Today, I'm pleased to confirm that the Welsh Government will provide an additional £29 million to schools to boost support for learners in crucial stages in their education from September. The money will be used to recruit, recover and to raise standards in all of Wales's schools. Today at 12:30, I will speak at the Welsh Government Daily Press Conference, where I will explain in detail what education in Wales will look like come September. Before then, I can tell you that we will use this additional £29 million to recruit the equivalent of 600 extra teachers and 300 teaching assistants throughout the next school year. Staff will be recruited on a one-year fixed-term contract and are expected to move into educational roles in the following school year. We will target extra support at years 11, 12 and 13, as well as disadvantaged and vulnerable learners of all ages. We will support learners taking their A-levels and GCSEs in 2021 and those known to have been affected the most, while many schools have had to be closed since March. Professional learning resources will be provided to support new and existing teachers in preparation for September. Our education family in Wales has met the challenge of the pandemic together, ensuring that our young people are supported with their well-being and their learning. I now want to ensure schools and pupils have the support that they need by recruiting extra staff to support the recovery phase and to continue to raise standards as part of our national mission of education reform. This is not a short-term fix, and I'm guaranteeing this money, this extra staff and support for the whole of the next year. Alongside the new curriculum, we are moving forward purposefully into a new era for education, one where we can ensure that each learner benefits from a broad and balanced education. Together, we will continue to raise standards for all, to reduce that attainment gap and ensure that we have an education system that is a source of pride and public confidence.